In the Anishinaabe language. Anishinaabemang. Pina Knumagia. When I teach Anishinaabe Anishinaabe language, Kishpindapnamabe Kidwin if I take one saying. Gutbishko Mkon like spoon. If I teach, I take one word, I take spoon, and I use different things with it. In a sentence with a number, in a sentence with a color, an action, uh, a command. In Anishinaabe, I'll use those sentences. Uh, like for example, these ones. Uh, Spoon, Mkwan. Inanimate object. Bematsimga snook e awong. Inanimate statement. Bematsimga snook kiduin. I have seen a spoon. Ningi wamdan Mkwan. 2 spoons. Nish Mkwanan. You have to add an A and an N at the end of Mkwan. That makes it plural. A N indicates it's more than one. It's plural. A N. Mkwanan. Okay, go on. I have seen 3 spoons. Ningi wamdanan swe Mkwanan. I have seen a yellow spoon. Ningi wamdan ozawa Mkwan. Hand over the spoon. Bininan Mkwan. Pick up the spoon. Dapanan Mkwan. Wash the spoons. Zibiganan Mkwanan. You can use these with other inanimate objects in the kitchen, like a knife, mukman, a fork, a kachigan, or a plate, a nagan, or a cup, minakwashigan. You could use any of these inanimate objects with these sentences. Naha, migach ba mamino ang gagachutun, wish chichigamanda. Oh.